Hi, I'm Brian Tooker. I'm the manufacturing engineer here at Elliott Tool. We partner with the DRMA, and some of the classes that we have taken have involved some leadership classes. Those leadership classes not only on the material, but had the great opportunity to work with some of the best teachers that have engaged us in everything that we were being taught and kept us wanting to come back every day to the next class to learn more. One of the specific scenarios is learning to individualize with each individual out on the floor and the team members, learning personalities and how everyone works together. So all those skills being applied, I take day to day and use them out there on the floor. If you guys are interested in the DRMA, give them a call or visit their website.